What's the elephant doing? It's dancing. New words. Elephant. Elephant. Monkey. Monkey. Parrot. Parrot. Tiger. Tiger. Climb. Climb. Swing. Swing. Count. Count. Dance. Dance. Dancing. Swinging. Climbing. Counting. Sentences. What's the elephant doing? It's dancing. What's the elephant doing? It's dancing. What's the parrot doing? It's counting. What's the parrot doing? It's counting. What's the monkey doing? It's swinging. What's the monkey doing? It's swinging. What's the tiger doing? It's climbing. What's the tiger doing? It's climbing. Goodbye.